I want to be the first athlete to do the Lifetime Fitness Leadman. And a lot of people are like, why would you want to do that? And I like the challenge of it. I believe I can do it. And I think putting a sequence of those very difficult races together, learning enough about your body and who you are, and to take yourself to the depths of human struggle when it comes to wanting to quit. I don't mind if I did quit. I do mind if I never started. And Leadman there's going to be a lot of luck involved for me too. I mean, you got to stay healthy and fit. I think it's important for people to see that we're all on the boat together. I mean, we're all hidden with the disability. We all struggle every single day. We never know what we have until we put ourselves out there. And I think when I first got hurt, I wouldn't put myself out there. And those were the worst years of my life. I wouldn't take on the challenge. And Leadman is just one of those challenges that's been out there for years. I've known about the Leadville 100 forever, and I've always wanted to do it. And I have an opportunity to do it now, and I'm not going to say no to it.